Well, we got some time before the Derby today. We got to load this thing up and get there today, but we got the rear brakes fixed. We got all the wiring moved. Now, this was not a super fancy wiring job, but I was able to get all the wiring out of each one of the fenders, everything out underneath the rad support, everything tucked up inside there, and now I still have all the fuses, and that looks horrible. We're going to buy spray foam on the way there. We're going to spray foam everything. We got the rear doors tied shut, but both the front doors still open. We got the gas tank in it, we got the battery in it, we got it quickly painted, nice shoes, and my total time invested into this is 8 hours, and we have no rear brakes set up into it. We got everything done that I wanted to get done. Airbags, oh, I forgot an airbag. We're gonna have to come back in here right now and take out this passenger side airbag. It's just a couple 12 mils, and then we'll take her out, and then car's pretty much ready to be loaded. Actually, I think we're going to load it here now. We'll get out this airbag and then we'll get it loaded up on the trailer for you guys. But this is like the epitome of a stock build. Just one seatbelt per door holding them shut pretty much as of right now. Stonut tires on the back. No doubles because the rules do not allow doubles. So they're just regular tires. Wiring moved. Some places don't even let you move the wiring, but this place does. And radiator just jammed back into it. You gotta admire these good stock builds, and hopefully I have some fun with it. I plan on using the back as much as I can because there's gonna be not a whole lot in the front with all the factory bumpers and stuff. So we're gonna take out this airbag, we're gonna load it up, and then we'll take a look over the car and kind of lay some expectations for it and see how well I can guess how this Derby's gonna go. So let's get this Camry all set up. You want to see knees are a little bit bent. There we go. Fuel pump. Start it up. Oh, the air conditioning sort of works. I told him to stand on the back of that trailer, but I don't think he's heavy enough. I wonder how long it's going to take me to get used to this column shifter. Now my dog, she doesn't want to move, so we're just going to drive around her. And then to the trailer. Grab the car and pull the car down, and there you go. You can stand on the trailer. It's hitting the suspension, so stand on the trailer.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
There we go.
Okay, that way. I do think these V6s have a lot more power, that's for sure. We are all loaded up. Avalon's on the trailer. A couple things I still got to do. I got to put water in it. I got to pack a cooler because it is hot today. And we still have a lot of stuff to do when we get there. I'm going to go pick up a buddy and we're going to carpool together. But honestly, guys, I've done nothing to this. Other than pre-bend the back, I have done absolutely nothing. We have the factory bumper, factory radiator. The wiring's been moved, but not very well. Still starts on the key, turns off with the key, doors open. What I would like to get from this is I'd like to run this car again, but realistically, if things go bad quick, I need a dumpster car. So if this thing is getting junked fast, you know what, I'm just probably going to junk it even faster and turn it into a dumpster car so I can get all this garbage out of here. Look at all this stuff. This Avalon here, it served its purpose. I got it almost 4 or 5 years ago, and I gave it to a young kid here in this town that blew up his truck. He drove it for 3 or 4 years. He had a great time driving it. Him and his buddies made a lot of memories in it, and he liked it. He was a truck guy his whole life, and he was young. He was maybe 18, 17. And he liked the Toyota Avalon so much, he actually went out and bought an 05 Toyota Camry V6. And he says the 05 compared to this 95, he hates the 05 and he wanted this car back, but unfortunately it was just getting a little bit too rough for him.
He put like almost 110,000 K on this car, or maybe even more than that. I'm not even sure. But he did fix all the doors and stuff, so it's not like he didn't try to take care of it. It was just a rough car when I gave it to him. But hopefully we can do good. Brody, man. I think his name's Brody. I'm horrible with names. I'm pretty sure his name's Brody. Thanks for giving me the car back. I actually forgot I gave it to you 3 years ago. So we're going to go wreck this thing. And hopefully you watch on YouTube, buddy. Because you did have a sentimental attachment. Take care, man, and thanks everybody for watching. You know, it's been a very quick build, and she's thick. We have about 6 hours invested from start to finish in this car. Even though I wrote 8 hours on the hood, I was thinking I had to do more stuff, but then I said, screw it. I was thinking I was going to change the brakes and run 14s, but you know what? I'm going to go there. I'm going to have a great time. I want to have fun. So let's go have fun. And if we win, we win. If we don't, we wreck some shit. So let's go wreck some shit, guys. And we'll see you guys back here later on Zach's Workshop.